Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing Kerala's Moong Dal Payasam. Payasam can be roughly translated as a kheer made with coconut milk and jaggery, which is usually made for festivals like Vishu or Onam. Vishu is a New Year festival celebrated in Kerala, symbolizing the beginning of the spring season. Vishu Sadhya is incomplete without a payasam. So today I'm showing you an easy and quick way to make Moong Dal Payasam, known as Cherupayar Parippu Payasam in Malayalam. So let's get started with the recipe. Soak 1 cup moong dal in water for about 15 minutes. Traditionally, payasams are made in urli. Urli is a heavy bottomed pan made of bell metal, but today I'm showing how to make the payasam easily in a pressure cooker. Now wash and rinse the soaked dal and keep it on a strainer. Heat a pressure cooker and add in 1 tablespoon desi ghee. Add in the strained and soaked dal and lightly roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Once it is roasted, add in 3 cups of thin coconut milk, also known as Randam Pal in Malayalam. Pressure cook for 5 whistles. While the dal is getting cooked, let's melt 500 grams of jaggery. So I have added the jaggery into a pan and added half cup water. Allow it to boil, and once it boils and the jaggery is melted, turn off the heat and keep it aside. Now let's open the cooker and check on the moong dal. Give it a mix and then pour the melted jaggery through a sieve. This helps to remove any impurities in the jaggery. Give this a mix and turn on the heat. And once it starts to boil, put the flame on the lowest and allow the mixture to get cooked in the jaggery for about 15 to 20 minutes. But make sure you stir it on and off so that the dal does not get sticked to the bottom of the cooker. While that is getting done, let's chop some coconut into small pieces. Once done, keep it aside. Now it's about 20 minutes and the dal has been cooking in the jaggery, and you can see that the color has changed slightly dark, and remember the flame is on the lowest. Crush 15 cardamoms and then remove the skin and then grind the seeds to a fine powder. Add in half teaspoon roasted jeera, and once it is nicely ground along with the cardamom, keep it aside. Now into the pressure cooker, add in 2 cups thick coconut milk, also known as onam pal in Malayalam. I used 2 medium-sized coconut for this recipe. Stir well and allow it to get heated. Heat another pan with 1 tablespoon desi ghee and add in the coconut pieces and fry them till golden brown. Lightly chop 2 tablespoon cashew nuts. And once the payasam starts to boil, turn off the heat and add in the roasted coconut, ground cardamom seeds and jeera. Now again heat 1 teaspoon ghee and add in 2 tablespoon chopped cashew nuts and 2 tablespoon raisins, and lightly fry it until it is golden brown in color, and then add it into the payasam and mix well. And lastly, add in 1 heaped teaspoon dry ginger powder, which is also known as chukku podi in Malayalam, and mix well. And moong dal ka payasam is ready to serve. Enjoy this healthy sweet dish with family and friends. Happy Vishu to each and every one of you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.